Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make a text box background transparent in Google Docs. So let's start it. At first open a docs file. Firstly, create a text box and going to the insert menu option, click for the drawing option and click for the new option. It's waiting and click for the text box option and create a text box. The text box is text box is border and going to the border dash option and the border option. Then create a text box and click for the save and close option. It's okay. Then I show them make a text box background transparent in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.